Stefan here from Berkshire Bike and Board, and today I'm going to talk about snowshoes. So we at the bike shop here at Berkshire Bike and Board carry what we would argue is the best snowshoe for the East Coast, which is where we are, and that is from a company called Dion. Dion is a homegrown, USA-made, right in Vermont snowshoe designed for the Northeast, for our snow conditions, which makes it an amazing product if you're going to go snowshoeing or want to explore the outdoors here in the Northeast. What really separates Dion Snowshoes from its competition is that it is a modular system, meaning that you can buy a deck, you can buy the cleat, and you can buy bindings completely specific to what your terrain is that you're going to use. So depending on how you're going to use it, the snow conditions you're going to use it will dictate what snowshoe you should be buying. What's really cool is that they also, within that line, make different sizes, just like every other company, which is designed for weight. But what is unique about our snow conditions in the East Coast is that most of the time they start light and fluffy for a little bit, but then they turn hard and compact. And a lot of times we have this perception that we want a big snowshoe because we're going to float out on the deep snow, but realistically it doesn't happen. So Dion's philosophy is size the snowshoe for the terrain that you're going to be using, and generally it's a smaller size than what you have this perception of. So the idea is that it's a lot easier to walk than having this big duck stance, and with a smaller snowshoe so you can walk your normal gait than have something that's really big. And the difference between how deep you're going to sink in the snow is literally half an inch. So it's a lot easier to pick up a lighter snowshoe for the course of, let's say, 2,000 steps than a bigger snowshoe where your gait is not correct and it's much harder to walk. So now I'm going to go into explaining the different snowshoes that Dion has and that we carry here at the shop. And they are as follows. For starters, we have the lightest, smallest snowshoe that they make, which is a phenomenal shoe if you are just out walking the dog on a groomed surface. You want something really light. You're doing hiking that's on packed trails. But also, if you're a runner, this snowshoe was actually designed for snowshoe races. This is one of the premier snowshoes in the running circuit. If you go to any snowshoe race and you show up in the Northeast, the majority of the people that will be racing will be on these because they have proven to be the best snowshoe for that. The next snowshoe in the line is what's called the Model 132, and all the sizing that is attached to each one of these snowshoes represents the surface area. So the higher the number, the greater surface area, the better it's going to be for if you're doing fresh snow, if you're breaking trail. Then you might want to upsize a little bit, and also depending on your weight, if you're heavier, you want a little bit larger snowshoe. If you're lighter, you want a little bit smaller snowshoe. But these are all things that we here at the store can guide you through. This is also a little bit more affordable. This has less attention to making it the lightest weight snowshoe. This is a really good snowshoe for you're just out, you're walking the golf course, you're doing some light hiking, and you don't need the best, but you want a quality snowshoe that has a lifetime warranty that's going to go the distance. This is phenomenal. Also along the same lines, very similar snowshoe, but this one, of course, is just a little bit bigger, larger surface area. If you're doing fresh breaking snow, like I was saying, or if you're a little bit heavier. These are the snowshoes that we have from Dion. Stop in, check them out. Their pricing ranges anywhere from low twos to almost $300 for the premium product, and they're a phenomenal snowshoe. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and we'll get back to you, or just stop in one of any of the stores. And you can also check out the website, which is linked below, to Dion. And thanks for watching. This has been Stefan from Berkshire Bike and Board. Appreciate the time, and if you like what you see and want to see more, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you won't miss the next one. All right, peace.